The question is, what is DNA copying and state its importance. So DNA copying is also known as DNA replication, and it is a process in which cell is going to create an identical copy of its DNA before it is going to divide. And this is going to be a very essential process for ensuring that each new cell receives a complete and accurate set of genetic information. So we know for our growth, our development, for reproduction, for each and every process we require cell division. And whenever the cell is going to divide, it needs its genetic copy as well. So from one cell, the genetic material would be copied and it would be transferred on to the next cell. That's the reason DNA copying is very important. So here we have some points on the importance of DNA copying. The first one being cell division. So DNA replication is necessary for both the types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. So in mitosis, equal number of genetic material would be there, but in the case of meiosis, the genetic material is going to reduce to half. The next process is of growth and development. Since growth and development requires addition of more cells, and since more cells are being produced, DNA replication is very important. The third is reproduction. So during sexual reproduction, DNA replication is going to ensure that the genetic material is transferred from the parent generation to the offspring generation in the form of gamete, that is sperm or the egg. The next one is inheritance. So, DNA replication ensures that genetic information is transferred from one generation to the next generation. The last one that we have is repair. So, we know that our DNA is responsible for all the characters that we are showing, for all the proteins that is made in our body. So, if there is DNA damage, then it could lead to mutation or it could lead to certain diseases. Hence, this DNA replication also ensures that it can repair the damaged DNA so that there is no chances of mutation and it could not lead to a disease. So, DNA copying is a fundamental process which is going to ensure the continuity of species, and it is going to ensure that the genetic information is passed from one generation to another.